Hi guys, my name is Eze Madabuji. I have taught mathematics both in the university and in secondary school, that is high school. And today I am starting a YouTube channel, a platform where I can freely teach the whole world who cares to learn mathematics. If you follow my channel, you are going to learn a lot, real big deal. Both people in secondary school and those in the university. Let's go to the board. Integer. These are positive numbers, negative whole numbers, and zero. That is, let me put them on a straight line for clarity. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Here is -1, -2, -3, and so on. This implies that this one you're seeing here is less than 3, as you can see. Likewise, -1. Since it goes like this, it means that -1 is bigger, greater than -3. Take notes. Now, let's look at arithmetic operation symbols. We have 4 arithmetic operation symbols, which are positive, negative, multiplication, division, now note that we use brackets to separate a number that has a negative sign from the mathematical operation, like this. I cannot write 5 minus -2 like this. Rather, I will use bracket to separate this minus attached to 2 from the mathematical operation minus. Is that understood? 5 plus -2 can be written like this, but I will use a bracket to separate them. This is a proper way to express the mathematical operation. We need to know that when we have minus in a question, it implies plus. When we have plus minus, it implies minus. When we have plus plus, it implies plus. Also, we need to know that minus multiply plus multiply by minus will give us minus, and plus multiply by plus will give us plus, and minus multiply by plus by plus, okay, sorry, minus multiply by minus will give us plus as well. Now, having known this, these are the basics we need to know to help us solve questions mathematics as we move further. Because if I jump this, we'll definitely not follow. Okay. Now, let's look at Bodmas. This B stands for bracket. O stands for off. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. This means that when we have brackets, division, addition, multiplication, or subtraction all in a question, we will treat them accordingly. We will handle bracket first before we go to off, before we go to division, before we go to multiplication, addition, and lastly subtraction. Let us see how we can apply this. Let's say example 1. Evaluate four plus 5 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 minus 12 divided by 4 times 2 minus 1. Something like this. Remember what we said. We treat division before multiplication, before addition, and subtraction. Because in our question we don't have bracket, we don't have off. Now solving this problem now, we will say 4 plus 5 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 minus 12 divided by 4 times 2 minus 1. Division is the first thing we see. Bodmas. Don't forget. Bodmas. D is the first thing we see. Division. That means we will say 4 plus 5 times 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. Minus 12. Okay, minus 12 divided by 4 give us 3 again. Multiply by 2 minus 1. See that? What does it say? Multiplication. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Minus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 minus 1. What is next? Addition. 4 plus 15 is 19 minus 6 minus 1. Then the final answer becomes 19. 6 minus 1 is 5. 19 minus 5 is 14. 14 is your final answer. We have obeyed the principle of Bodmas. As you can see, let's look at another question. Still to explain this Bodmas. Evaluate minus 3 bracket 17 plus 5 bracket 5 minus 7 bracket close bracket. Look at this. To solve a problem like this, remember we said Bodmas. This is 9 minus 3. We handle this bracket. 17 plus 5. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. 9 minus 3, 17. We handle this one again. We have, open this bracket, you have minus 10. 9 minus 3 bracket, difference here is 17 minus 10. Nine minus 3, 7. 9 minus 21 to give us minus 12 as our final answer.